On the left side of your Lazada Seller Center dashboard, click Promotions under Common Tools. Or go to Marketing Center. Then click Promotions. Scroll down. Click, or mouse hover, Other Vouchers. Click Create Voucher. Fill out the necessary fields. Starting with the promotion name, it is advisable to use a name that is easily identifiable. For the voucher redeem period, enter the start date and end date. And don't forget the start time and end time. Alternatively, you can select the default options of 1 week or 1 month. Select the date and time for collection. Select Offline to create a private voucher that is not visible to the public traffic. Select where you want to apply the voucher. It can be your entire shop or specific products. Set the discount. It can be a fixed amount or a percentage discount. Specify the required minimum purchase amount to activate the voucher and the applicable discount. For percentage discounts, you may set a discount cap to avoid exceeding your budget, but this is not required. Set the total vouchers to be issued and the voucher limit per customer. Then click Submit. Click OK if you want to start the promotion right away. If your voucher applies to specific products, click Select Products. Select the products to which the voucher will apply. Then click OK. The selected products will be listed. Then click Apply. Your voucher is now ready to use. You can share the link by clicking the Share button. With these steps, you can successfully create and distribute your offline vouchers. Good luck!